Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add borders to your image or video using Filmora X. Okay, so this is very simple trick. So this is short tutorial. Let's go to the screen. Okay, so here I am inside Filmora X. So let's import one image and one video to the media library. Let's just find an image. Okay, so this is the image of my friends, and let's find another video. Okay, this one. Let's just drag and drop it into Filmora. All right. Oh, there you go. So this is the image. Let's drag and drop it onto the timeline. Okay, so it does not fit the screen. Let's drop to fit. Okay. All right, now I want to add a border for this image. I need to go to Effect. Now in the included folder, you can find the utility folder. Here we have 9 different effects in the utility folder. By the way, if you don't want, if you don't see utility folder, go back to included, and then at the search box, you search for border. Okay, B-O-R, border. That is the border. So here's the effect. Just click on the effect and drop it directly to the image that you want to add a border. Okay, release your mouse. Now you will have a border around it. How to control the color of the borders, and also how to control the blurs and X thickness or something. Just double click on the image on the timeline and go to the image tab here. Now you see the video effect, right? Click on this button. So now we have the borders, all the parameter of the border, right? The color we control the color of the border. Here we have white color at the start and white color at the end. So it's the same color, right? You can change it by clicking here. Change it to red. Okay, so now it starts with red and end with white. But the direction, you see here, the direction is from bottom to top, right? And we can change the direction here. So this is the default direction, and we can change it to right to left, left to right, sorry. So the left is the red and the right is the white color. Okay, so that is about the color. And here's the slider for the size of the border. You want to increase it. Ooh, it's too big, right? And we can also adjust the blur here. It will increase it. It will blur the edge of the border. And we can also reduce or increase the opacity of the border here, 63%. Okay, so it's nice, right? So that is how you can add a border to your image, and you do the same with a video. All right, so that is how easily you can add a border to your image or video using Filmora X. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.